Hi everyone and welcome back to Joda Interior Design. This is a place where we explore different interior and exterior designs, home decor designs to decorate your different spaces and make it look beautiful. If you're new here, welcome. Remember to like and subscribe and turn off the notification bell. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get back to the video. Today, I want to show you simple TV decor ideas that can make your living room look clean, stylish, and even a little expensive without spending a lot of money. Let's get started. Welcome back. The first idea is keeping your TV area simple. A crowded TV wall looks messy, even if the items are beautiful. So remove extra things you do not need. Add 1 or 2 items only, like a small plant or a candle. This makes the space look modern and calm. Consider adding green plants. Plants instantly make the TV area look alive. You can place a tall plant on the side of your TV stand or a small potted plant under the TV. If you don't want to take care of plants, you can use fake plants like the artificial plants. They still look good. You can also consider using floating shelves. Floating shelves are cheap and easy to install. You can place them on the left and right side of the TV or above the TV. Put simple decor on the shelves, like a small frame, a candle, a plant, or a decorative ball. Make sure the shelves are not too full. Leave some empty space to breathe. Create a TV gallery wall. If you like artwork, you can create a gallery wall around your TV. Use matching frames in black, gold, or wood. Choose calm pictures like leaves, simple line drawings, or quotes. Place the frames evenly so it looks neat. Add LED lights behind the TV. LED strip lights are very popular. They are cheap and easy to use. Place the LED strip behind your TV. It gives a soft glow and makes the room look modern, especially at night. This also reduces eye strain when watching TV. Your TV stand is part of your decor, so use a beautiful TV stand. Pick one that matches your style. White or black for a clean look, wood for a warm look, glass for a modern look. You can also paint your old TV stand to give it a new look. Think about adding baskets for storage. If you have wires, remotes, or small items, hide them in a decorative baskets. Place baskets inside the TV stand or beside it. This keeps everything organized and makes your room look tidy. Books can make your TV area look stylish. So you can think of decorating your TV stand with books. Place 2 or 3 books on the TV stand. Here you can also use the dummy books that are called deco books. You can put a small deco item on top of the books, like a candle or a plant. Just keep the color simple so it looks clean. Create a feature wall. If you want something bold, choose a feature wall behind your TV. You can use peel and stick wallpaper. You can also use wooden panels or even stone texture wallpaper. And even a dark paint color can also be in use. These and many more can make your TV wall the main attraction in the room. And finally, you can add personal touches. You can add items that show your personality. Maybe a family photo, a small souvenir from your travels, or decor in your favorite color. Not too many though, just 1 or 2 pieces. And that's it, guys. These simple TV decor ideas can make your home look neat, stylish, and more expensive, even on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves home decor. Comment down below your favorite part and let's interact. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.